Welcome back to Quick Shifts once again. My name is Jason, and today we're going to talk about LASFIT floor mats again, floor liners. So again, our friends at LASFIT reached out. They saw the new Tesla Model S Plaid that we picked up, and they asked us if we would please do a review of their floor liners for them. And as you guys know, I'm a pretty big fan of LASFIT. These are made over in China and shipped over here. I want to point that out. A lot of people want to make sure that I mention that, so I'm mentioning it. And it is a cheaper product. It's less expensive for you to buy, but it seems to be up to par with those more expensive offerings out there. I've done video comparisons on those in the past. Feel free to go check those out. I'll try and put a link up here for you guys on that. But again, these are LASFIT floor mats. They are 3D scanned and made to fit. They are made of TPE material. They come with a 90-day warranty. If you do not like them, you can contact them and ship them back. If you have a problem with them, you can ship them back, and their customer service is top rate. If you've ever reached out to them or talked with them before, they message you back almost instantly. They've done a great job with that. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't get this open. Let's get them out of the box and take a quick look. So again, their packaging is very nice. Nice box, nice fit, had a handle on the top, made it easy to carry, showed up undamaged. Very happy with that. But let's get these out. And take a look at what we got. So again, in a nice bag. These are scanned, 3D scanned into the vehicle, so the fitment should be spot on. And we'll review that when we get them out to the vehicle to give a test of that. They're made with TPE materials. They're free of any allergens, BPA, latex, PVC, lead, any of those bad things like dioxins and cadmium and anything like that. It's free of all of that. So without haste, let's have a look. Again, they come with some instructions loosely tacked on there. Set those off to the side. And here we go. This looks to be what I assume is the back mat. Again, it's got that really nice material. It's got a nice thickness, but not overly thick. This is all textured. There's grooves, channeling cut in here. So if you spill something, it'll catch it in the grooves. And so it won't continue to get on your feet. Should be an easy spray off to rinse off if you do get it dirty. Has some nice stays in here. We'll see if those click in the Tesla. I'm not sure if it has stays in the back like Jeeps and Wranglers do. But this seems very well made. The back side of this, again, channeled and grooved, and it's got little spikes in here. And what that'll do is it'll hold these in place so they don't slip around while you're driving or while someone's sitting in there. It'll be firmly there, and you don't have to worry about it sliding all over the place. So this must be the passenger side front. Again, nice material with the channeling in it. Looks to be form fitted with that 3D scanning. Once again, it's got some stays back here, and it's got the nice channeling and the little grippies back here to keep it snug and in place. It also has a nice LASFIT implanting there or marking on there to let you know who made these mats. And here, again, another user manual here if you need that, but this should be pretty straightforward to install. And here we have the driver's side. Of course, it's got the ridge here for the footrest. And again, the channeling, just like the other pieces. Same material, same nice thickness. It's real sturdy. And it has the channeling in the back with the little grippies to hold it in place as well. And the driver's side also has the branding on it as well. So let's go ahead and take these outside and install them in the Tesla and see how they fit. All right, so we're outside now with the Tesla Model S Plaid. This is a 2023 again, and we've got our, somewhere down here, over in this space, we've got our LASFIT floor liners, floor mats. We're gonna go ahead and pull the factory ones out of the Tesla and get these installed into it and take a look at how the fit and finish is inside the car. So I had to put you guys in a little bit of fisheye mode here so I can try and do this one-handed, but I think we'll be able to get away with it. But before we pull these out, I want to show you how these stock floor mats fit in the Tesla. They're not a bad floor mat. They're pretty simple. They're pretty thin. They have a Velcro in there, and they go up the footrest here, but they're split. Things can get under the crevices. I mean, they're obviously carpet, so moisture would soak into it, that kind of thing. And that's why I want to get these out so moisture doesn't get in, keeps mud and rain or anything like that out of the car. Just makes it easier to clean up. So we'll grab these and they pull right out. Then we'll grab the LASFIT mat. Make sure we have the right one with that footrest on it. Look at the back side, make sure it's clean. And we'll just slide this right into place, I believe. So a little maneuvering, push and pull, and then you push it down over here, and it's right into place. And the fitment is spot on. Look how that fits in there. Very happy with that. So now we're gonna rinse and repeat over here on the passenger side. So we'll grab this passenger side. Come on over here. Grab the stock one, pull it out, toss it off to the side, grab the LASFIT, get this set here, and then push it into place. And it slides right in. As you can see, another perfect fitment in there. Not going to slide around at all. That's a great job. So let's go ahead, grab the rear and get that in there next. So now we got the rear piece. Hop over to the back. Again, show you how this stock fits in there. Pull this out. Toss it over to the side. And then we'll slide this into place. Not so easy one-handed, but we'll get it. And there you have it, the rear piece in place. So there we have it. The LASFIT floor mats are fully installed into the Tesla Model S Plaid 2023. And I'd say that these fit perfectly. Their alignment is great. The 3D scan must have been spot on because everything is perfectly lined up. So again, over on the passenger side, to show you guys that. Again, these are made of TPE material and they come with a 90-day warranty. And if you guys use my link down below, you'll get a slight discount on these and it helps us out. So I'd appreciate if you guys could do that if you're considering buying these floor mats. Thanks again for joining us here on Quick Shifts. Again, this was the LASFIT Tesla Model S floor liners, and we went ahead and got those installed in our Tesla Model S. And if there's any other questions or concerns you guys want to know about, feel free to leave a comment down below and we'll do our best to answer those as usual. If there's something else you'd like to see in one of our videos, leave that comment as well and we'll make sure we get to it. But thank you for watching, and if you made it all the way to the end, don't forget to use the link down below and subscribe, share this with your friends who are considering these floor mats. And again, thank you for watching, commenting, and giving us a thumbs up. We really appreciate it. Thank you guys.